Terri Harper is a British professional boxer and current WBA and IBO Super-Welterweight champion. She was born on November 2, 1996 in Denaby, Maine, United Kingdom. Harper came out as gay to her father and a stepmother at the age of 14. She is engaged to her fiancée, Jenna Hayden. In April 2021, it was announced that Harper would face WBA female super-featherweight champion Hyun Mi Choi on 15 May at the AO Arena. The bout was to be televised live on Sky Sports in the UK and streamed live on DAZN in the US and more than 200 countries and territories. In early May, Harper was forced to withdraw from the bout after suffering a hand injury during sparring. Harper was raised in Yorkshire with her two brothers and sister. She got into boxing at the age of 12 after watching Jack Osborne box on the TV show Jack Osborne, a adrenaline junkie. After winning a silver medal as an amateur at the 2012 European Junior Championships, Harper stepped away from the sport to concentrate on her education. She returned to amateur boxing after completing her GCSEs, only to become disillusioned with the sport after losing her first two bouts. While deciding whether or not to continue with boxing, Harper received a call from a boxing promoter with an offer to turn over to the professional side of the sport. She subsequently accepted the offer and stated that she has never looked back since. Harper made her professional debut on 25 November 2017 at the Doncaster Dome in Doncaster, scoring a 4-round points decision PTS victory over Monica Antonik. After 4 more fights in 2018, PTS wins over Borislava Garanova in February and Bojana Liviševska in April, and stoppage wins over Beck Cannoli in October and Farish Mashori in December. She faced undefeated Commonwealth Super Lightweight champion Nina Bradley on 8 March 2019 at the Barnsley Metrodome in Barnsley, with the vacant WBC International Female Lightweight title on the line. As an amateur, Harper only competed 17 times, which saw her win 3 national titles and a silver medal at the European Junior Championships in Poland. Harper faced former European female super featherweight champion Katarina Thunders on 14 November 2020. The bout served as part of the undercard for Katie Taylor's world title defense against Miriam Gutierrez at the ACC Arena in London. She defended her titles against former Olympian Natasha Jonas on 7 August 2020 at the Matchroom Sport headquarters in Brentwood, Essex. After a closely contested fight which saw Jonas suffer a cut above her right eye in the early rounds before staggering Harper in the 8th, the result went to the judges' scorecards. One judge scored the bout 96-94 in favor of Harper. The second judge scored it 96-95 to Jonas, while the third judge scored it even at 95-95, resulting in a split draw to see Harper retain her titles. The bout was the first time two British women contested a world title. On 20 December, it was announced that Harper would challenge Wallström on 8 February 2020 at the Fly DSA Arena with Harper's IBO and Wallström's WBC titles on the line. The fight was aired live on Sky Sports in the UK and DAZN in the US as part of the undercard for Kell Brook vs Mark DeLuca. Harper knocked Wallström down in round 7 en route to a UD victory, adding the WBC to her IBO title to become the second British female boxer after Nicola Adams to capture a major world title.